Before diving into your favorite dishes this holiday season, officials from the Ministry of Health urge all individuals to take heed to food safety guidelines that may be the difference between a Merry Christmas or a bout of foodborne illnesses.
Here are some critical guidelines to follow to keep food safe for human consumption during the Christmas holiday season. Remember, foods are never on sale. If there is a sale on food items, examine all foods carefully prior to purchase and check for any damages of food items and expiry dates. Never purchase canned foods which are unlabeled, dented, rusted or blown, and large quantities of food with short shelf life or close to expired. When purchasing local meat products from butchers, look for the inspected and passed stamp, which indicates that the meat has been inspected for wholesomeness by officers of the Environmental Health Division and passed for human consumption.
Other key guidelines include avoiding the temperature danger zone between 4 degrees Celsius and 60 degrees Celsius, where food poisoning bacteria thrive, and refrain from storing meats, fish, chicken, or other refrigerated foods in vehicles for prolonged periods or beyond 4 hours.
Keep hot foods at a temperature of over 60 degrees Celsius and keep cold foods refrigerated at or below 4 degrees Celsius. If you are going to defrost a large turkey, remember it will take several days to defrost in the fridge. Always make sure that it is thoroughly defrosted in the center before cooking. Because stuffing slows down cooking and cooling, it is best cooked separately. Before preparing food for Christmas, make sure that there is enough room in the fridge to keep cold food at or less than 4 degrees Celsius.
Environmental Health Officer Johan Frederick advises that when refrigerator space is limited, items such as soft drinks, alcohol, pickles, jams, and other acidic condiments can be safely stored outside the fridge with beverages kept cold in coolers. She also urges the public to prepare foods as close to mealtime as possible and to use separate cutting boards and utensils for raw meats and ready-to-eat foods.
Cook foods properly. All rolled and stuffed roasts, poultry, sausages, minced dishes must be fully cooked. If you cook large amounts of food in advance, divide into smaller portions or shallow containers. Cover and place in the fridge or freezer. Make sure there is good air circulation around the containers. Refrigerate leftovers immediately after the meal, as soon as it stops steaming. Never store leftovers on the kitchen table and use refrigerated leftovers within 2 to 3 days.
Frederick adds that reheated food should be steaming hot throughout, reaching at least 75 degrees Celsius. The Ministry of Health also advises thorough hand washing with soap and warm water before food preparation and after handling raw meat or chicken. Frederick further encourages diners to ensure that food establishments display a valid public health license, confirming they meet required safety standards.